Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids. Now get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now you can mute the music. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. When you're ready, access settings by choosing those three lines at the bottom right one. Now click on settings at the top and choose I accept in first things first pop-up. Finally, you can manage all of those options however you want to, and then click on the top right corner. Now select the bottom one again, but this time click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Last but not least, click on Apply and pick one of those options, in my case home screen only. So now when I swipe up and click on Home button, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!